Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Facebook Messenger message. It will be really simple and easy. So if you have the latest update and when you type the message, tap and hold on the send button. So if you tap and hold on the send button, you are going to be able to schedule the message. But you need to have the latest version of Messenger, and keep in mind that it doesn't work for everyone. So as you can see, for me it doesn't work, so it should be similar to Instagram. I'm going to in Instagram here. So now if I type the message here and tap and hold on it, and you can see we can schedule that message. So they added this feature to Messenger, but not everyone has it currently. So you can check if your account has it or not. If not, you are going to have to wait until they give you that feature. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to schedule a Facebook Messenger message. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.